Hey everyone, how's it going? So today's project is going to be mounting the PlayStation 4 behind the TV. I ordered the Humancentric model 1012012. This is a mount. It's actually really sturdy metal. And the goal is to get this behind the television. So right around here. So when the TV's up, it's on the air hockey table now. You might see about, I don't know, maybe a smidge of the PlayStation 4 since it sits at an angle. So I've already gone ahead and marked the two areas I'm going to be drilling with a 1/4-inch drill bit, and then sinking in the anchors. Now, for the top hole, I don't think I'm going to need an anchor. I can't remember exactly. So here we go. Okay, there's that one. Went right through. And all right, perfect. All right. So those holes went in pretty easily. That was nice. Let me get the anchors. Then we can go ahead and mount it. Okay. There's one. Okay, I was hoping I didn't need a hammer, but it looks like I'm gonna need one. So let me see if I can just tap it in with the screwdriver. Perfect. That worked just great. And the cool thing about this mount, say that you don't want to put it on the wall, you can put it on the back of the TV. It uses the mounting brackets. I believe it supports, let me tell you what it supports. It'll work with the VESA mount 100 or 200, and it does come with M4 screws and M6 screws, so that you can go ahead and attach that. And I'll put some pictures of that if I can on there. And then it comes with this washer and screw, and I'll show you here. I'll bring it up close to the camera. You slide in the PlayStation this way, and then this screws in right here, and it'll lock the PlayStation so it doesn't fall out. And then on the back of it, it does have this wing that keeps the PlayStation from going anywhere. All right, let's see how this works. Get my screwdriver and get it a towel. Okay. And I'm just going to start at the bottom so that I can hold it and then move to the top. I'm always really sketched out when it comes to bracket, like using these anchors, but we'll see. This one seems to be grabbing pretty well. Okay. Okay. Huh. We'll see how that goes. All right. Let's go ahead and show you what this will look like. The thing that I do like is that it's actually also resting on the wall mount that has lag bolts. Also, I'm never gonna touch it again. So this is how it's gonna go. And put this bolt on this to lock it in with the washer. All right. I mean, you know, it's a little bit sketchy, but it seems to work just fine. I wish they would have given you lag bolts so that you had the opportunity to actually mount it on a stud. So now that I have that, let's see what, oh, there's the power cable. So this will get plugged in here, and there's that. And for this, I'll be using some clips to hold it. It's got double-sided tape. I'm going to clip it on the other side. Let me go get those and I'll be right back. Alright, so these are the clips that I'm going to use. See if I can get it to focus. There we go. So these open up like this. You slide your cable in, and then it just will ratchet and hold it into place. Okay, so that's what we're going to put up there and securing it. Okay. And these will be, well, maybe I should just wait. I get the TV on and then I can get these over here. Okay. Yeah, I'll put these on after. I'm just gonna actually just drape them over the TV and just let them sit behind the brackets that hold the TV here. So let's see how that goes. The HDMI cable, okay, I'll just have to pull the PlayStation out, plug it in, and then should be good. Gonna go ahead and get the TV mounted. I gotta get my Ethernet cable for the TV plugged in, and then power right below that one. So let me go ahead and do that. I gotta get some help. All right, so as you can see, the TV's up, and you can see it at the top up there, but it blends in pretty well. What I'm gonna do now is I've taken the nut that holds it. So I'm going to slide the PlayStation out. So that I can plug in the HDMI cable. Let's see. There we go. And then slide the PlayStation back in. Let's see. Okay. Well, just turned it on. Okay, looks like it's good. So now to secure the bolt here. All right. And that should be good. I don't want to tighten it up too much. Okay. Turn on the TV. And now I have to get my PlayStation controller hooked up. So I just got to get that. And then we can go ahead and test it. let me add the, oops. Okay. Cool. So it'll see if it's in here. There we go. All right, so there we have it. Should be good now. I'll have to. That charging cable is not going to sit there, obviously. All right, seems to be good. Yeah, I mean, I would highly recommend this this mount for sure. And as you can see here, I'll show you the image. So you can mount it behind your TV or computer monitor if that's what you have, whatever you're using. And it attaches to the VESA 200 and 100. And it does come with the screws for it. This is how it slides in and how that little nut and washer secure it. It's actually really nifty. I really am glad I bought that. It's on Amazon. It was I don't know if it's still on sale or not, but it was $19.99. I think originally it's like $30 some. I'll put the link to it in the description, but you know, you might want to check it out soon. That way you can still get it on sale if this is something that you're interested in getting. That was it. Pretty simple installation. I would have to say that the anchors leave more to be desired. I was glad that I had the extra space that allows me to rest it on the wall mount for the television, because I don't know, it just seems like it wouldn't hold the weight if it wasn't resting directly on it. I'm probably going to take it down, get better anchors, and a bigger bolt to secure it to the drywall. But yeah, definitely thanks for watching. Like, and then leave a comment if you have any questions, and then check that description for the link to Amazon. All right, thanks.